Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the new entry class all stainless gas grill by Victory. Let's go. Let's talk quality. As always, I like to start with the materials. During the XRF test, the exterior of the grill and cart tested to be 400 grade stainless steel, which is great for an entry-level grill. The grill's main components, the burners, flame tamers, and firebox, all tested to be 400 grade stainless steel as well. The cooking grids are solid rods with a chrome finish, and the secondary interior hood liner tested as steel. Our caliper test shows the main cooking grates to be just shy of 7 millimeters thick, which is great for this class of grill. The exterior of the hood, as well as its interior liner, both tested in to be right around 20 gauge. And the walls of the firebox measured in at 16 gauge. The Victory grill features a tube burner which weighs in at 21 gauge, which again is fairly standard for an entry-level grill. Now let's talk about performance. During our high temperature testing, the thermocouple showed that after a 15-minute preheat, the cooking grids on Victory's gas grill were at an average temperature of 620 degrees Fahrenheit, which is high enough to sear just about anything you would like. After 20 minutes on high, Victory's maximum average temperature at the cooking surface was 657 degrees Fahrenheit. On the low and slow side of things, the thermocouple showed that after 30 minutes with all burners on low, the average overall temperature of the cooking surface was 295 degrees Fahrenheit, which again is great for a grill at this price point. As far as temperature evenness is concerned, the thermocouple showed that at high temperatures, the probe that was the furthest temperature from the grill's average temperature was a difference of only 74 degrees Fahrenheit. Pretty awesome. At lower temperatures, the furthest temperature was only 33 degrees from the grill's average temperature. That's tough to beat. That's pretty good stuff. Moving on to some real-world testing, the burger test went very well and really showcased the rock-solid performance of Victory's flame taming setup. You're able to get that perfectly controlled flame kiss that you're looking for when you flip your burgers. Overall, we saw excellent performance from Victory's flame taming system. It just far exceeded the standard for this class of grill. Let's move on to features. First, let's look at the infrared searing burner mounted on Victory's right side shelf. After cooking several rounds of steak over the infrared burner, I give it a good rating, but that's actually great considering that this is an entry-class grill. At the end of the day, it cooks a mean steak, and it's a great feature to have. Moving on to the ignition, the grill features a piezo spark ignition as its primary source, so there won't be any need for batteries, and that's a good thing. Their secondary ignition system is a match clip, which is a nice feature to have from a safety perspective. And between each set of burners, there are crossover channels that allow you to ignite the rest of your burners from just one lit burner. One of the most impressive features of the grill is its 464 square inches of main grilling space. This leaves you with plenty of options when grilling different types of food that need varying types of temperatures. Whether it's salmon and veggies for date night, or chicken wings and sides for the big game. The grill also has a warming rack that's great for finishing sausages or veggies, and it adds even more space for cooking. The side shelves are awesome for getting foods on and off of the grill, and they give you a dedicated spot to place your drink. The drip tray at the front of the grill pulls out, which makes your life a lot easier. Just take my word for that. Victory's cart also features a ton of enclosed storage space, perfect for protecting grilling gear from the elements. Not to mention the double-walled access doors on the front don't have that flimsy, wobbly feel you can sometimes encounter in this class of grill. The cart has 4 heavy-duty casters for mobility, and again, it's a nice thing to see on an entry-level grill. The side shelves have accessory hooks for hanging all of your grill tools, keeping them off of your side shelves. And at the bottom of the cart, there is a side bolt for securing your propane tank to the cart. Last but not least, the limited lifetime warranty on all stainless components really sets the Victory gas grill apart in its class. Thank you for watching today. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe for more great content.